Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make
an epic thumbnail, quick and easy,
If you follow my steps, you will be the greatest Photoshop user
of all time.
First thing you need to do is open Photoshop on your PC.
Version in the description.
All you need is to go to the Create New tab. Go to the Create New tab. You could use the default, but no one uses that shit. So you go to Custom, and then you use this 1920 by 1080 with 300 pixels per inch as your resolution. Oh, put it back. Okay, fine. Watch that baby load again. Use this. Use these settings, okay? Create New. Then you're gonna be blessed with this baby called blank canvas. First thing you need, step 1, you need your background. For instance, I am going to be using this. This is going to be my background. You could just write backgrounds for thumbnails. Anything you want. And if it's like a gaming theme, you could use like a background of the map or something like that. Something from the video. Just because I'm making a video about how to make a thumbnail, I'm going to be making the video thumbnail right now. Do not save the pictures. When you make a lot of thumbnails, you're going to be saving a lot of pictures, and that's going to take up a lot of space over time. So just copy the image, paste, boom, got it over there. Second thing, you want to put it in the corner, then fill out all the space, boom, now you got your background. And don't worry about it being low quality, because a video thumbnail is like this small. So step 2, you need figures. So I like to use a lot of figures in my thumbnails, as you can see. You could use yourself, you could use a person, it's fine, you could use whatever you want. I'm going to show you what I would do. So first thing, I would find a picture of someone who looks funny. Okay, so we're gonna make them bigger, and this is my favorite tool. So if you wanna, like, we don't want that background in the back. I don't care about photograph, copyright, stereo. I don't care about that. So what you do, so there are 3 ways you can do this. One way is to use the object selection tool over here. Select the image, go like that, and it will automatically select what you see. And then you could just boom, and then you got it over there. But as you can see, it's not the best way because sometimes this happens, but it is a quick way. Another way you could do that is you quick selection. So you could just like go over these features like that, and then I think this one would be way better. So you just click on this tool, the mask tool, and boom. So that is the way to do it. That's how I do it. What's really annoying for me is that part over there. Let's zoom in like this. I'll take the eraser, I'd carefully like go around, and I just try to do as much as I can. Then I lower the size of the brush, and then I go like this. This is just the case with Mr. Michael Caine over here, or Sir, whatever the hell you call him. Then boom, perfect. Step 3 is to add the text. There's this website called The Font, and you can download a lot of fonts from here. The one that you can just search them up, right? Mont, like that's the one that most people use. This one, you just download, and then when you have the font downloaded, you could press open it. You press on you press on these. The ones are open type font file. These ones, you open them, and then you just click install. And when you're done, you could just restart your Photoshop. So I'm gonna save my work over here. Watch that baby load a 3rd time. Okay, so when you have that open, let's add our text. So you should find your font. You could just press T and put it. This is the font I use for, I think, the Rocket League video. We're gonna search for a font, which is the one that we just downloaded. We're gonna use. Boom. But that looks pretty boring. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna highlight that in case. You're going to resize it how you want. You can double click on the right here, and you get these settings. And you can add stuff like a stroke, which I like to add. Instead of a stroke, you can add a drop shadow. I need to go to the bathroom, BRB. Okay, we're back. Make sure to go to the bathroom. Anyways, so let's change first the color of it because it looks pretty bland. So I like to use a gradient. So let's use this one for example. It's because it stands out with the blue. I would normally add a drop shadow, and look how that makes it look. And let's add something to show some reassurance. So I'm gonna copy that, paste it.
With the selection tool, I like using the quick selection because it's the easiest. But there is another tool that I didn't talk about because I don't use as much. It's the pen tool. And if you do want to see a good explanation of how to use it, it's more accurate. You could go to PewDiePie's video. I'll put it in the top right.
So boom, and because the edges look so disgusting, I'm gonna just eraser it. I'm gonna try doing an effect with the text.
And then for the next 12 seconds, which was, I think, 10 minutes for me, I was trying to experiment with new styles, and then basically I just ended up with this.
Alright, perfect. We're done, the boys. And that is pretty much it. Then all you need to do is go to your file, export, and quick export as a PNG. And then you're left with this. It doesn't have to be the best of quality because it's gonna be a really small resolution. So yeah, that's it. I went back into Photoshop and like added a few little touches. I added a stroke to Michael Caine and the finger to like separate them from the background a lot. I also added my signature bearded face onto the background, the O's, and I also added the Photoshop logo. So like you can add like these extra stuff to make the like to add some personalization. I could also add like a glow to the Photoshop logo, like boom, change the color to like a pinkish maybe. Increase the opacity, like that. Why did I not? There you go, like that. You know, it adds a bit of personalization. So look, it became 10 times better. So anyways, that is all. This is the thumbnail I have made officially. Alright, goodbye.
What's life? Just a journey full of new lessons. I was sitting on a bench ready for my seconds. Put myself in the game. I'm a star when I'm playing, and I give it all I got like it's game 7.